Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So this was that final wheel spin. For those of you that saw my previous watch videos, this was a membership wheel spin, and I actually won a November Platinum tier. So I have the 1 month. This is a November Platinum watch. A lot of weight here. Have no idea what in the world is in this box. Obviously, by the thumbnail and the title, you will know, but as of the recording, no idea. So let's bust it open and see what the hell we got. Stay tuned. So here we have a Black Friday advertisement with a QR code. And let's see what we have here. CCP, not familiar with the brand. So Platinum tier should be an automatic, so I'm at least satisfied with that, but I have no clue what we have here. Very nice case though. Piano black finish. A lot of girth. This is a heavy watch. Heavy case anyways. There's the number right here. So let's see what we have. Okay. Has an extra strap. Watch tool that I do not need. Interesting. Some sort of GMT something or another card here. We'll take a look at stuff like this real quick. This is GMT something. It tells you some of the features of the watch and I guess how to use the GMT. So I haven't even looked at the watch yet. I'm guessing it's a GMT. Must be something with aviation here. So let's grab the watch and take a look at it, shall we? Let's see what we have going on here. Slide that out the way. Definitely a GMT. It's got a lot of girth to it. It's got a lot of weight to it, seriously. There we go. This is a decent movement because it's pretty smooth. So it's a decent movement. Standard clasp. Nothing special here, nothing to write home about. Standard fare. Decent design. Solid end links. Sorry about the shaking. Solid end links. No window for the movement. So we'll do a little research on the brand. I'll have some stuff on screen. Let me get all the plastic and everything off, size it. We'll take a look at the wrist shots and check some dimensions. Be right back. So as you can see, 2 links out of each side. It is sized comfortably for me. And haven't really spent any time admiring it. I still haven't taken all the plastic off, honestly. I wanted to get back into it. So let's take a look at this dial. So the burgundy and yellow I am partial to. That is my high school colors. Shout out to Terrebonne High, Terrebonne Tigers. There's a little bit of texturing. Sorry about the reflection of the ring light. There's a little bit of texturing on the dial, as you can see there. I am digging that. It is beautiful. Burgundy with the yellow, different loomed indices. The hands are loomed. The tip of the second hand, well, that little square anyways, rectangle, is loomed, and you see all these loomed dots going around. So there is indications. It is a bi-directional bezel. Very stiff. So not the easiest to maneuver and knock out of place. So it's definitely a 120 click. Bi-directional. Centers very nicely. There's the little aviation star on the crown with enamel paint. That's a nice touch. Look at that engraving. It's actually quite nice. The finish on the band and the case overall, I was admiring when I was taking the plastic off. It's actually a very nice finish. It's brushed all the way around. And same thing, the brush work all along the case. The coin edge, very thick. Robust would be a good way to put it. So it is not a screw down crown. There's no date or anything like that. Very smooth. There's no GMT hand, but it's a GMT dial and bezel. So there's definitely a way to do it. There's just no GMT hand. So it's an interesting watch. Is it one that I was hoping to get? No. Am I dissatisfied with it? No. It definitely has a unique look to it. It's going to stand out among the other watches in my collection. I definitely like the color scheme. I like the feel. And let's take a couple of quick measurements, shall we? So, case size 40 millimeters, so that's going to wear very well for me. 12 millimeter thickness. Lug to lug. About 21. That's interesting. Probably more along the lines of 20. If I was to get this band off, it's more along the lines of 20 most likely. It says 21, but I believe it would be more along the lines of 20. Nice taper to the band, oyster style. And then on the wrist, this does have no play in the lock. That's rare, so I do like that. That's a nice little step up in the clasp. Here you see etching of CCP with the 4 stars. Has a decent presence on my wrist. It's not too big. It actually fits just right. As a lot of you know, I'm not the type to wear it behind the wrist bone. I like to wear it closer to the hand and the wrist. The downside to that is I have callousing right here from crowns rubbing into it. So we'll take a look at the strap that came with it. It has an extra set of deployment pins on it. So that's nice. That's CCP etched into the leather. It's soft, gotta say. Has some flex to it. Nothing spectacular here. It's not, you know, anything I haven't seen before. But I do think it's nice that they included the extra strap. And then on the clasp, this little logo with the star here. So I don't know if this is Russian or this is German or what, but I don't know, something along those ways. Let's see. So it shows you how to operate the GMT function with the bezel versus the dial. So I do like how it looks on the bracelet though. I wear NATOs so often these days that it's nice to, this looks like it's really, you know, got a good look on my wrist, especially with the color scheme, the dial and bezel combo. Yeah, I think I'll leave this one on the bracelet. I doubt I'll ever put it on this particular leather strap, but it is a nice presentation overall. Decent. I'm satisfied. It was a $100 membership wheel spin, so basically you could look at it as I paid $100 for this watch. Is it something I would have went out searching for? No, probably not. But for being a random mystery watch, pretty satisfied overall. It's decent. The color scheme's really doing it for me. I'm not one for super busy dials, and this is a pretty busy dial, but the color scheme really does it for me. The overall presence, look, and feel, I'm good with it. I'm definitely good with it. So kudos. I don't have any plans to do any more spins with Watch Gang, so this is probably it for a while with me and Watch Gang. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you like seeing watch content on the channel. And till the next time, guys, y'all have a good one.